Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here for the bullish and bearish scenarios overview here. We have an impulse towards the upside, finishing wave A, of course in a blue count as an A, B, and a C toward the upside. You would like to see, of course, after this three corrective waves, an impulse as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish a wave C in the blue count here, as it is supposed to be, of course, and taking possibly the all-time high here in a wave 1-to-1, of course, with a few dollars at 159 for AVAX. In case you are in another bullish scenario, which is your wave 1 in the orange here, and we're looking, of course, at a wave 2 finished, of course, or a wave B as well here can be, and then wave 2, and then we're looking, of course, for a wave 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, even for higher to hit in between those fib level for, of course, a 200 potential scenario, $200, of course, for a wave 5. So basically we are looking now in a wave 1 here, and then you're looking for a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and 5 in your bullish scenario. Your wave 2 has to be finished, of course, in a regular flat here as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? So basically it can be as well a W, X, and a Y. And that because, of course, of this scenario here where we are looking only at 3 waves towards the downside, where it can be a 3 waves down, of course, here, where you would like, of course, to see a correction here, not, of course, as an impulse, and meaning that this might be an A B, and a C toward the downside, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, you are in the wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave 2. Of course, in a correction. So it can be definitely here as well as an A, B, and a C by all meaning here. Yeah, so this is the thing. In a bearish scenario, of course, possibility. Yeah. So this, what do we mean with this? It can be as well ABC, or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. It doesn't matter. Both will finish in the same scenario at the end. Breaking the 0.786. Of course, that will lead us for lower prices and for a bigger bearish scenario, meaning if you are here in 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, this is, of course, then your wave C toward the downside, looking for a big wave A, B, and a C toward the downside, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is, of course, not nice to see. You would like to hit here, in this case scenario, the following price for a wave 2, of course, as an impulse between those green boxes here as 0.618 and 0.786, yeah, for a wave C. These are the bearish scenarios, of course, guys, between the bullish and bearish. Now, if we dive deeper a little bit on the 4-hour chart here, you can see on the 4-hour chart that we have two possibilities, whether A, B, and a C toward the downside, finishing here, the wave C, and moving for higher, or we have double 1, 2 actually, and that because of this scenario here. And of course this one, I don't really like it unless we take it kind of like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but your wave 4 invalidation. That's not really nice. What's going on here? It tells a little bit that it is more corrective than impulsive, but it is a very, very deep correction. Meaning higher potential, it is an A, B, and a C. You're looking at your wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 5 is very, very deep as well. Yeah, so this is the scenario. So let's open now these scenarios. This is what we are looking at. Potentially, of course, we are looking at an A here, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 3 ways down for, of course, WXY, finishing wave A, then wave B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, of course, as running flat ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave C here, downside, inside the blue box, preferably inside the blue box, of course. In case we break the 886, yeah, then the possibility start to goes, yeah, a little bit higher for even lower, right? Because you don't want to see the 886 taken from this impulse here as a wave 1 get hit. If this gets hit, meaning you will take the low again here, and meaning potential for lower prices here for this scenario. Yeah, so we have to be careful with it. It might be, of course, playing here as 1-to-1 fib level. As you can see, the confluence here in ABC between the 0.618, 0.786. Yeah, so that was it for AVAX. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Of course, guys, on the 1 hour chart as well, we would like just simply to hit this blue box and yeah, start to see a signal of strength, right? This is what we would like to see, a signal of strength to move for higher. Now, of course, we want to take the low here. You know, you want to take the low. This low has to be taken at the price, of course, which is 17.4. Preferably we take, like, for example, 18 or something like this. So let's put, by the way, in Confluence, the target 1-to-1 taken here in Confluence, guys, is the following in a regular flat. Not running regular. Yeah, in Confluence is the 1-to-1 fib level at $14.750, and as you can see, the 1.05 as well, $13.5. So I'm gonna leave just the 1-to-1 fib level in Confluence here. So yeah, preferably this is the highest possibility, finishing wave 5 exactly between this price here. Yeah, highest possibility, and hopefully that it is not wave A. If it is a wave A, meaning this will transform again later on as 3 waves down, wave A, 3 waves up, wave B, and then a longer wave C towards the downside to bring us back to the deepest bearish scenario again. Yeah. So basically, let's watch the 17.44. We want to take the low and start to seek for a strength signal. That was it for AVAX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.